Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prospercoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Some time ago we're talking about scatter plots. In the previous video we're talking about color bars. In this video we'll use a color bar for the colors of the points. Now let's start by creating a scatter plot. The points will be circles differing in color and size. So here are our x values. Now let's randomize the position of y values. So we use the random method here and we multiply x times a to get randomized values. Now let's set alpha to 0.5. The size and color will depend on the value of y. So scatter xy marker circle alpha 0.5 size y times 50 and color equals y. And now we get this. Now we have a nice scatter plot. All we need to do is add the legend, so let's create a color bar then. So let's assign the scatter plot to a variable p. Here's our scatter plot. And now we can use the variable to create a color bar. And what we get is the following. So a scatter plot with a color bar. And now we know which color corresponds to each value. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.